Hey guys, thanks for watching my video today. In this video, I'm talking about the steps that I've been taking to help stop hair loss and to promote hair growth. So if you want to see the steps I've been taking and all the products that I've been using, then just keep watching. Okay, so I basically shared almost all of this on an Instagram post about the Nutrafol that I am taking, that I've been taking for a while. So it's basically, this is the main thing that I've been taking, but I would say the main thing, I guess, yeah. But there's a lot of other steps that I've been doing and just little things that have been adding up and that have been helping me so much. So, all right, so fast or rewind like a month ago, maybe like 6 weeks ago now, my hair, I just noticed in the shower was shedding so much more than normal. Like I clogged my shower twice in a month, and it was like kind of a scary amount of hair that I was losing. So I kind of figured out that it was a combination of a few things. So stress, like who isn't stressed right now? Postpartum, Zara is like 20 months old now, so and then also I just turned 30, so kind of aging. So all of those things mixed in one was like just a terrible storm of just, it was just a bad time for my hair. So a few things that I've been doing. I just shared this in an Instagram post for Nutrafol because I've been taking this for a few weeks. But I have a ton of like little things, I guess, that I've been doing. So I want to just kind of share it and put it all in a video so that it's here. And I feel like a lot of people will benefit from this. I feel like this is such a common thing. So number one, I guess while it's in my hand, Nutrafol. I've come across this is a hair wellness supplement. So it's all natural. All of this stuff actually is like natural, what I'm going to talk about, all clean and safe and natural. But this has a ton of different things. It has a lot of collagen, and you're supposed to take it for 3 months. I've been taking it for almost a month now. I'm almost done with my first jar. I have 3 of them that I have to finish before I see like the best results, I guess. So this, I've been taking, you take 4 capsules every single day. I just empty them into my smoothie every day. I don't know if I zoomed in on this yet or not. So here's that. This is Nutrafol. I just shared it again in an Instagram post. So if you want to go check them out, I'll tag them in this video too. But the next thing, so I have my notes here just so I don't miss anything. Rosemary, I've been adding to everything. This is rosemary essential oil. So what I'll do is just add about 10 or 15 drops to my shampoo bottle. You can add it to shampoo and conditioner. I just do it to the shampoo. I feel like that's good enough. And this is just a public goods shampoo. And this post isn't sponsored. It's just a bunch of different things that I've been doing. So I'm going to be talking about a lot of different brands. But I love this shampoo and conditioner. Actually, it's like Aveda is my #1 favorite, and then Public Goods. So that's saying a lot. It's clean, it's safe. It doesn't have fragrance, and so adding this makes it smell amazing because it's just it has a little bit of scent, but it's essential oil. So it just goes, oh, it smells so good. And rosemary helps promote hair growth. I will link like sources and different things in this video, but I also make after like a leave-in spray with rosemary. This also has lavender and cedarwood in it too, and it has, so it's like this much water, maybe half water, half witch hazel, and then it has all of those oils, and it's about 15 drops of each oil. And I use this on the girls as well. In theirs I actually put a little bit of conditioner in it too, so that it's like a leave-in conditioner, where this one for me is just kind of like a growth spray. There's a bunch of oils you can use to put in a spray like this. I'm actually kind of like in the middle of researching different ones. So if I decide that I'm going to put any more into this, it's called Mermaid Hairspray. It's kind of funny. I'll let you guys know like what ones I try that are different and that are working as well. But rosemary is, I think, just like the #1, and that's the one I use in, like I said, shampoo and my other hair products. The next thing is, so stress is like a huge factor in all of this, and so something that has helped me so much is CBD, and I've been taking it for a few months, like a while, maybe like a year now, but I just started using this new one. This is Leanna Organics, and it's the strongest one I've like found, and it's peppermint. They also, when you get this in the mail, when you order it, they send, I should go grab that. It's, they send you like a quality report, I guess, in like how much CBD it actually is, how much THC, because CBD that you take like this, tinctures, shouldn't have CBD in it, or should not have THC, which is the component in the plant that makes you high, I guess. So CBD does not get you high. That's a question that I do get quite a bit. It's kind of funny. But anyways, I will link that too. I've been really happy with that brand of CBD. And I love that it comes with that report, that sheet, which I will get that and show in just a second. The next thing is resting. So we have 2 kids. We have a puppy. I work from home, my husband works from home, and we're just like constantly going. So just taking 10 minutes to rest, 5 minutes even to rest, and then going to bed a little bit earlier, just making that a priority to get at least 6, 7, 8 hours of sleep. So that's like easier said than done, but it's something that like I have in the back of my mind, and just something that I'm kind of being more intentional about, is just getting more rest. I have also been taking a ton of collagen. So this is also a new brand that I have, like, kind of like CBD. I've taken collagen also for like over a year, couple years now. And I've tried a bunch of brands. This one is so good. It is made with really good ingredients, like high quality. They source their stuff well, and it's a very high level or like serving of collagen. So this is 10,000 mg per 2 scoops. I shared this before. What I do is I just like to mix it up in my like bullet style blender, and then pour it over ice. That's the best way in my opinion to have it, but it tastes amazing, and this one is such a good collagen. So that helps with hair, skin, and nails, all of that too. So I think, like, I don't know if I said this already, but a combination of doing all these little steps is what is truly like helping. It's not just one thing, and being consistent. So you have to just like make like a list of what you're gonna do to help, and then be consistent. That's major. Next on my list is protein. So I'm a vegetarian, or I'm a pescatarian, so I don't eat meat. I do eat seafood, so we've been eating more of that. We like salmon at least once a week. That's our favorite. Everyone loves it, so it's an easy one, like tuna, and then making sure I get more protein in different meals too, so like beans, legumes, all kinds of just vegetarian protein things. But so that's first, like I'm always just thinking like what's protein in this meal, and then also I've been taking protein, or I've been making a protein shake every single day. This is a new one, and I love this so much. So first of all, look how cute the packaging is, but that's like the least important thing. It's vegan protein, so it's pea protein and hemp protein, which I love, and I've tried a hemp protein before, but it was terrible. So this tastes amazing. This is vanilla, and it has CBD, so I am just like obsessed. This is my favorite protein that I've ever used. And this is a good brand as well. I'll link this one too. It's vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and keto. So that's such a bonus, because a lot of proteins have a lot of sugar and have a lot of carbs, so you're like sacrificing. So this is just like everything I want in a protein in one. It has 3 carbs and 3 fiber, so 0 net carbs, if I'm doing that right, and then 20 grams of protein, and then CBD. So it's just so good. I really, really highly recommend this. It's almost gone. I'm really sad. It's kind of pricey. It's a little bit more just because of the CBD aspect, but I will repurchase that. I love it so much, and Chris likes it as well. And then the last thing on my list was I'm just really being intentional about my probiotics too, which I always have been, but just in the different ones I'm taking. I do hyperbiotics, which I should have grabbed so I could show you, but they have a bunch of different types. So like a mom, a woman, a men's, for Chris they have kids, and for pets like Frankie takes probiotics too. So just being more intentional with that, because your gut health is linked to so many things, immune and stress being related. So I've been really making sure that I don't miss that. And also my regular, I just do like a regular multivitamin, and I also do magnesium, but that's about it, I think. And let's see if I have anything. Oh, I do have a code for the Nutrafol. It is a little bit pricey because it is what it, like, you get what you pay for. It's a really, really good hair wellness supplement, and a lot of people have seen amazing results. I'm really excited to keep using it, and I will definitely let you guys know after the 3 months of using this, like, my results and like my full review on it. But so anyways, with all that being said, I have a code for you on that. It'll be in this description. But I think that's it. If you guys have any questions on anything, let me know. So I would say, like, after probably a week or maybe a week and a half of doing all of this stuff regularly, my hair loss, like when I'm in the shower and I'm like combing through my conditioner in my hair, the amount of hair that is in the shower now after doing all of these things is significantly less. Like, so much, it's like back to normal, if not better, because I've always been kind of a shedder, because I have so much shedder because I have a lot of hair, and so I've always like kind of been, you know, like just aware that I shed kind of a lot, and I don't know, it was just beyond that a lot. It was kind of getting scary. So I have seen significant improvement. I am not going to skip on any of these steps now because I'm scared if I do to what's going to happen. But anyways, this has been working for me. I hope that you found something helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Everything in that I talked about will be linked in the video. I have coupon codes for you. But let me know what you think. I hope that some of this will help you too if you've been struggling with postpartum hair loss, like stress hair loss, not being able to grow your hair as long as you want. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.